Some gadgets look like they're ripped straight out of a sci-fi movie, but they're very real, and you can actually buy them. From invisible TVs to jet-powered flying bikes. These aren't prototypes or CGI, they exist, they work, and they're absolutely insane. Today, we're counting down the top 10 gadgets that seem fake, but are 100% real. Let's go. At number 10, we've got a phone that literally stretches. Lenovo's Rollable Phone concept can expand its screen with the push of a button, transforming from a compact display to a full-size screen for videos, multitasking, or gaming. Why it seems fake. It looks like magic. One second it's a smartphone, the next it's a tall, almost tablet-sized device. Now, here's why it's real. This thing was demoed live at Mobile World Congress and uses motorized gears to extend and retract the OLED panel. It's not on sale just yet, but it's functional and mind-blowing. This is a TV and also a window. The LG Signature OLED T is a transparent television that disappears when it's not in use. When it's off, you can literally see right through it. Why it seems fake? Transparent displays sound like something from Tony Stark's living room. Now, here's why it's real. LG showed this off at CES 2024, and it's expected to hit premium showrooms soon. It blends right into your space like futuristic decor. And yes, it plays 4K video while staying see-through. Next up, the XREAL Air 2. These look like stylish sunglasses, but they project a massive virtual screen into your field of view, up to 330 inches in size. Why it seems fake? How are you watching a full theater screen floating in mid-air from a pair of glasses that weigh less than 3 ounces? Now, here's why it's real. XREAL Air 2 connects to your phone, laptop, or Steam Deck and creates a private wearable cinema anywhere you go. Perfect for flights, gaming, or watching movies in bed without bothering anyone. Coming in at number 7 is a humanoid robot that folds your laundry. I'm not kidding. Tesla's Optimus robot is walking, learning, and doing household chores. Why it seems fake? Because most robots we've seen are either clunky or locked behind lab doors. This one walks like a person and has hands that can actually grip and fold. Now, here's why it's real. Musk's team is already using these in their own factories. Optimus isn't ready for consumer sale yet, but everything you've seen here is real footage of a working robot. Imagine a motorcycle that flies. The Volonaut Airbike is a personal aircraft that ditches the rotor blades and goes full jet-powered speeder bike mode. We've done a separate video entirely on this bike, so be sure to check it out. Why it seems fake. No visible wings, no propellers. How is this thing even flying? Here's why it's real. The company behind this, led by the co-creator of the Jetson 1, has built a functioning prototype using miniature jet propulsion systems. It's fast, futuristic, and sounds like a TIE fighter. This next one looks straight up ridiculous, but it serves a real purpose. The Mutalk Voice Mask by Shiftall is a Bluetooth microphone that mutes your voice in public or noisy environments. Why it seems fake? Because it looks like you're putting a VR controller in your mouth. Now, here's why it's real. It blocks sound from leaking out, perfect for private calls in public spaces or nighttime gaming without waking anyone. It's already on sale in Japan and slowly making its way west. Number 4 is straight out of a sci-fi hacker movie. The AirPoint Ring is a finger-worn mouse that lets you control your screen by waving your hand in the air. Why it seems fake? Because it feels like Minority Report. You're not touching anything, just moving your hand, and your cursor follows. Now, here's why it's real. It connects via Bluetooth and works with laptops, tablets, and even smart TVs. It's already being used by presenters, streamers, and even surgeons for sterile environments. What if you could ditch your phone entirely and just tap your chest to summon AI? That's what the Humane AI Pin is all about. It's a wearable assistant that projects an interface right onto your hand. Why it seems fake? Projection on your skin with gesture control? It looks like something Apple would tease in 2035. Now, here's why it's real. This pin uses laser projection, built-in AI, voice recognition, and touch sensors to respond to your commands. You can text, call, search, or get translations all without a screen. Number 2 is one of the most buzzed about gadgets of 2024, the Rabbit R1. It's a tiny orange AI companion that controls your apps with just your voice. Why it seems fake? Because it doesn't run on iOS or Android, and it doesn't even need apps installed. It uses a large action model to control them remotely. Now, here's why it's real. You can tell it to book a ride, order food, or play music, and it just does it. No app switching, no menus. It's a weird hybrid of AI and old-school gadget design, and it's shipping now. And finally, number 1, the CyberPower Kinetic Series PC case. It looks like it's breathing. No, really. Why it seems fake? Because the case literally moves on its own, adjusting its ventilation flaps like a sci-fi spaceship engine. Now, here's why it's real. This PC case adjusts airflow based on your system's temperature. It's not just for show. It actually cools better and looks insane doing it. Bonus, it's available for custom builds right now. So there you have it, 10 insane gadgets that look completely fake, but are absolutely real. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to smash that like button if you want a part 2. Subscribe for more next-gen tech reviews, wild AI experiments, and future gadgets you didn't know existed. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.